Hello, welcome to SM Tech World. Today I am going to show you the difference between call and apply method. So these are the two properties which comes with built-in JavaScript. You can leverage this property. So before jumping into the real example, let's know some theoretical concept of call and apply. So you can check the call and apply are the only way to change the execution context when a function is invoked. You can pass an object as the first parameter of the call and apply methods. So let me show you some example. So suppose I have one function called my function. Let me declare one function equal to function. Then I have like this side that console.log then I'm printing it's not thing. So like this. So if we call this one function, click the first one variable also. Like an argument. So I'm passing city. Then I will print it. City. City. Yeah. So now if we call this function here, you can see that it's showing it cannot read the property name undefined because we are not passing anything. So how can we pass it? We can pass it using call method. So like this. So function name call, then I can create one object, my object. Value there. So big. Then let me add another property of page to this level. That's all. It pass this as context of that my function. So now what you can see is saying, hey, my name is Toby. I am undefined because I am not passing any value of the city. How can we pass it? The call method as the first parameter will always be the context. So I already told you, you can set the execution context of a function. So this is my execution context. By variable I am passing. The second parameter you can pass the other function parameter, like in this case we have city. So I can pass city like Kolkata. So you can see how it's printing. Hey there, my name is Obik and I am from Kolkata. Let me add another parameter. Country. Add it here. So printing like this, it's been undefined because we are not passing in. So now we can easily pass country the third parameter. So you can see it's printing, hey there, my name is Obik and I am from Kolkata, India. See how call works. So JavaScript, apart from call, we have another method called apply. So both of these methods have same objective. The basic difference is that the way you call the methods and its context. So in case of call, what we are doing, we are passing the path parameter as a context, execution context, my object, whatever I am passing as this, then we can pass the subsequent attributes subsequent parameter. But in case of apply method, what we used to do, we used to pass all the function parameters as an array of inputs. You can say. So what I will do, I will call apply method. Function name dot apply. Then I can pass in constant. This constant for my object. Then I can pass in array. India. You can say it's printing. So this is the basic difference of call and apply methods. So what are the real life use or what are the use case scenario of this call and apply methods? So basically you have one concept called function borrowing in JavaScript. In that scenario you can easily use the call and apply method. So what is that? So suppose you have some requirement, you need to create one common function, and so suppose you have requirement, you have two objects and you need to create an function. So in the two objects of same kind of requirement, you have two same function. So why should we create some two objects with separate function? Instead of that, we can create one common function and we can borrow that function and we can pass the execution context in that function and we can reuse this. So in this scenario, it's very helpful. Let me show you one real example of call. And apply that and apply it. So suppose I have one requirement. In that requirement, I need to calculate the sum of the whole array. And how can we do it? So I have multiple array. Suppose I have multiple array. I need to calculate the sum of all array elements. We can do it very easily. Like we can prepare one sum methods. Then we can let me declare one variable called I equals to start from I. Then we have to fill the array length with which there is an array length. Increment that. For that, I also need to declare one local variable for calculating the sum array. Let me apply it to 0. And what we can do? Can do sum array plus equals to this array. So let me print it. Console.log we can return sum. So I create one generic function. Within this function I will return the sum. So let me declare one array 1 equals to 1 2. Declare another array something like this. So now since I have one generic common function, I can easily leverage the call and apply method like this. So sum dot call, I can pass this array 1 and execute on it. Like this, let me store the result in a variable. Variables this. Hey, sum array is the result. Yeah. See like this. Let's return the function. Since we are returning function, should return array. Yeah, returning 87. Now I have another requirement. So I have want another array, you don't need to write it again that function. You can just change the division context. It will print the sum 5 and 2. So this is how columns apply method works. JavaScript. Just remind one thing. So we have another method called bind. I will discuss it in a separate video. So in case of call and apply, you can use binding. You can say. Yeah, that's all. That's pretty much for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.